بسم الله أبدأ صوب النداء. إن اسمه يعلو على الأسماء ثم الصلاة على النبي محمد فهو الشفيع وإن بدت منا أخطاء. Dear students, welcome again in the recommended references for information systems series. In previous session, we discussed references on the principles of information systems and fundamentals of database systems. And in this session, we will cover references on system analysis and design. And we will discuss two references today in this field, namely system analysis and design and system analysis and design, an object-oriented approach with UML, and the both references written by the same authors. Let's start with the first reference under the name System Analysis and Design. It's written by Alan Deans and Wexicom and other authors. The latest edition of these references is the 7th edition, which was published in 2020. The book covers a wide range of topics related to system analysis and design, and here we will discuss an overview of the content found in the 7th edition. Okay, let's start with the first topics in the references, which was introduction to system analysis and design. This section introduced the importance of system analysis and design in creating effective information systems. Also, it's covered the fundamentals, concepts, methodologies, and rules involved in the process. Sorry. The second topic is project management, and this chapter discuss the project management techniques specific to system analysis and design. It addresses topics such as project planning, scheduling, and resource allocations, ensuring successful project executions. And the third topic, or the third part of this references, is the requirement determination. And this section explores various methods for gathering and documenting and validating user requirements, and it's covered techniques like interviews, observations, and surveys to understand user needs and expectations. And the fourth topic is use case modeling. Use case modeling are essential for capturing and representing systems functionalities and user interactions, and this chapter explain the use case modeling techniques and how it helps in system analysis and design. The fifth topic is data modeling and process modeling also. Data modeling involves designing the structure and relationship of data within systems, while processing modeling focus on representing the flow of data and activities. And this chapter introduced techniques like entity relationship diagram and data flow diagram for effective modeling. And the sixth topic discussed in these references is object-oriented system analysis and designs. And here he make introduction to system analysis and design, and techniques are covered in this section. It's explore concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, along with the use of the unified modeling language, or in short UML, for modeling systems. The seventh topic is the system design, and this chapter discusses the translation of requirements into detailed system design. It covers topics like user interface design, database design, and architecture considerations for building repository and scalable systems. And the last topic discussed in this references is system implementation and operation. And this is the final, as I said, of the book focus on the system implementation, testing, deployment, and ongoing maintenance and support. It addresses strategies for successful implementation and operational management of information systems. This is the first references discuss or talk about system analysis and design, the traditional approach or the old approach, and the second reference, it's under title System Analysis and Design, an object-oriented approach with UML, discuss the modern approach for designing or analysis and design the information systems. Also, it's a textbook written by Alan Deans and Wexicoms and other, as I said, and the latest edition is the 5th edition, which was published in 2015. This book also covers some topics about object-oriented system analysis and design. Okay, the first topic is Introduction to Systems Analysis and Design, and in this section, he introduced an overview of systems development lifecycle, in short SDLC, with an emphasis on the rules and analysis and design is creating effective information systems. The second topic is project management, techniques for project planning, scheduling, and using management during system analysis and design process are discussed here in this section. And the third section or topic is requirement determination, method for gathering, as I said in the previous references, methods for gathering, documentation, and validating user requirement using various techniques such as interview, observation, and prototyping is discussed here in this section. And the fourth section is about use case modeling. Also, capture and define system functionalities and user interactions. The book explains how to create use case diagrams and how to use case descriptions. And the fifth topic is object-oriented concepts and principles. In this section, he introduced an introduction to object-oriented concepts, including classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphisms, and encapsulations. And the authors discuss how these concepts can be applied in the system analysis and design, because object-oriented, as you know, is programming concept. So if you when we use it in the system analysis and design, you must understand how can you use the concept object-oriented in the field of system analysis and design. In this section of references, he discussed this in details, and the six sections for this references is object-oriented analysis, techniques and methodologies for analyzing systems requirement and designing object-oriented models using UML notations. And this includes class diagrams, sequence diagrams, state machine diagrams, and activity diagrams, and others. The seventh topic or section, or the seventh section for this reference is object-oriented design. He discussed the strategies for transforming, analyzing models into details, the design specification. And the book covers topics such as object design, architectural design, and design pattern also. The last section for of these references is talk about implementation and maintenance. He gives guidelines for system implementations, system testings, deployment, and ongoing maintenance and support. And the authors address issues related to coding and testing and system documentation. Through the book, case studies and examples are used to illustrate key concepts and techniques. And these real-world scenarios help readers understand how applying system analysis and design principles in practical settings. I will show you, as we already do, I will show you the electronic copy of the references, of the two references. The first one is system analysis and design. It discussed, as I said, the traditional approach and make or lay down foundation for understanding the core concept of system analysis and design. And this is the topics are discussed in this reference, as I said. And the second one is system analysis and design, an object-oriented approach with the UML, the 5th edition, and its content 3 parts. These 3 parts are divided into these topics, which we already discussed in this video. But take care, there are many references available for explaining system analysis and design. But however, these 2 references are the best ones for me in covering and conveying a comprehensive understanding of concept of system analysis and design through both traditional and object-oriented approach. Also, I have previously relied on them in preparing system analysis and design course for my student at university. In the end of this episode, I would like to say in the next episode, inshallah, we will discuss another references or another recommended references for information systems. So until then, goodbye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.